Today I am unboxing and installing a replacement item for my car. I've done this numerous times before when I replaced my black plastic mud flaps with painted versions, and I also replaced my faux carbon fiber dash cap with a real carbon fiber version. I'm always looking for ways to improve. This is a Taptes USB Hub Pro, and I purchased it from Amazon for $33. Here is the box, and on the back it shows some specs on the device, and I will show that in a minute. Let me open up the box and show you what's inside. First thing you see is 4 USB ports on the top of the hub. On the back are 2 plugs that attach to the car's 2 existing USB ports in the front storage area. The little sticker on the cover shows where to press so that the magnetic cover pops off. Press anywhere near the bottom and the top hinges outward. Inside are 2 USB ports, and they also include a short USB-C cable for use with an SSD. Also inside the hidden area are the instructions and a magnetic plate that you can attach to an SSD so that it can remain mounted securely inside the hidden storage area. You can attach that USB-C cable to either side or use a different cable if you prefer. The surface is covered with a nice soft rubberized finish that feels nice to the touch. It's a simple yet elegant design. I removed the old USB hub from the car and have it here to show you the differences. The Hub Pro's USB ports stick out a little bit more than the original. There is a rectangular shape that juts out a bit from the rest of the surface. When viewed from the side, they are about the same thickness. And of course on the back, the USB plugs are located in the same area. And the hidden door is smaller than in the original version. When I remove both covers, you can see that the original hub only has 1 USB port inside as opposed to 2 on the Pro. The major advantage of the new Hub Pro is that it offers all 6 USB ports with data transfer and power capabilities. The box states that the car's left USB port provides the power and data for the 2 ports on the hub's left side and left hidden port. The car's right USB provides the power and data for the 2 ports on the hub's right side and the right hidden port. Now I'm going to show how my M.2 SSD fits into the hidden storage location. Since I already had the magnetic panel installed, I'm going to use it as is. M.2 enclosures are on the long side, so this one fits just barely. And by turning it upside down, you can see that the magnet is doing its job. The USB Hub Pro works with Model 3s from 2017, 2018, and 2019. On newer Model 3s with the 2020 update with USB-C ports, and also pre-June 2020 Model Ys, there is an alternative hub available. I'll have the link in the video description. If you have a new post-October 2020 Model 3 and Model Y, the USB location has changed and these hubs no longer work. Now let's go into the car for the installation. Open the console lids and remove any items you keep in the front storage bin. For example, I took out my accessory caddy, tissue box, and game controller. Take the new hub and place it towards the front of the storage bin. You may have to move some USB cables out of the way first. You can see where the plugs on the hub will align with the ports in the car. It's a bit of a tight fit, so you may want to try aiming it from the top and then pushing it down. Make sure the hub is down as far as it will go, touching the bottom of the front ledge. Now push forward and the plugs will push into the port and it will snap in. I'll open the cover so that you can see the SSD has its light flashing, which means it's getting power. Now that the hub is snapped in, I can plug in the USB cables to the available ports. The first one I plugged in goes to the Samsung tablet that I have mounted in front of the steering wheel. The next two go to the wireless phone charger above. And finally, the last one goes to the game controller. Looking at the top of the LCD screen, you can see that the Tesla cam and Sentry cam icons are showing and will work. I did a quick check with the game Cuphead, and you can see that the game controller works fine. And that's it. Pretty simple, and I like how this new hub is now a true hub and allows more flexibility. For owners of 2017 to early 2020 Model 3s, this is a great accessory. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. If there is some accessory you would like to see reviewed, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.